So, I've been having this problem where a bunch of minotaurs moved into the magic forest near my place, and they keep on mooing. Like, can they have their mating session a bit farther away from where I live? But right now, I'm just making my roof. I'm gonna make this a multiple story house. Yeah, they keep on doing that. Like, I haven't been hearing those before. They probably just moved in today. Any second, they're probably gonna jump me and scare me and kill me and take all my stuff, which would be annoying. So I want to finish my roof before they do that. Oh, they stopped. Cool. Maybe they're done having babies. I mean, I would go and explore, but I'd rather not get myself killed, you know? Like, if I was put into a horror movie, I don't think I'd survive. Not because I'm an idiot, but I have terrible luck in these kinds. Is that, if you look in the crosshair, you can kind of see like a strange guy. I've been there before. Behind that, there's like evil trees. If you can look there, that's where I get all my black wood from over here. I planted a sapling of an evil tree somewhere, like right there. Maybe they come from that forest. Maybe I shouldn't be introducing this into here. Whatever, I don't care. I just want to make my roof in peace. Instead of having to hear cows. Anyways, I'll update y'all when something interesting happens. Alright, they seem to have stopped for now. The question is, are they from the magical forest or from the evil forest? If you can look in the back, you can see them black trees, kind of like that one, planted. So, where are they? I mean, I'm fine with not knowing. I'm not gonna check it out or anything. Eh, I'm almost done with my roof. Yay. I think I'll do it for my next layer. I'll do it with spruce. No, I found out you can craft guns.
Правильно он ответил?
Да.
Написала, что вы сегодня ты пропустил, хотя ты говорил.
Это поп-квиз она задает.
Напиши, что да, ты будешь в понедельник утром, чтобы она
Хорошо,
рассчитывала на тебя.
напишу. Потому что поп-квизы она дает. Ну, это только она
И
делает.
подготовиться надо к этому поп-квизу.
Без проблем
А ты вообще
подготовлюсь.
не открывал Science.
Что я не знаю, что будет.
Спроси, почему будет квиз, к чему тебя подготовиться. И что ты будешь понедельник.
Okay. Sorry, chat. My mom walked in. As I was saying, you can craft guns. How? You getting these? What are those? So I found this in the desert. What? Figure that this does when I learn how to read. Oh, Look at here, my evil tree grew. This takes a while. If you're wondering about the zombies, I figured it out. There's an infestation. There's a cave down there. Cave starts somewhere over there. You know what? Fine. Screw me, I'll explore. Shut up. Free dirt. There's a bear. An idea, maybe. We can do. I'll put all my stuff away in a chest, and then go there with like a wooden. No, I'll make another iron sword. But I'll explore the area. I don't have anything to lose, right? Is that a boar? Oh, yeah, not with my stuff. Let's be smart about this. Oh, it's night. Actually, I'm not gonna go during nighttime. I'll die because of how many modded enemies there are. There's my chest. The hell's this? Oh, it's item asylum. Let's see what I have here. Alright then, let's go. Well, I'll probably need to bring some food. Let's go. Oh, what's up, little guy? Oh, it's just Piggy. I'll let him live. Right, little minotaurs. Come on out. Let me kill you. Maggots. These things are actually kind of nice because they let me get slime balls. There's nothing. It doesn't seem there's anything in what's this biome called? Corallium infested swamp. Ugh. Those are like coralliums, like those zombies I found earlier. Oh my gosh, there's turtles. Don't go here. This place isn't safe for you. Now, guessing that the evil guys. What did I just hear? I'm already terrified. What? Nah. There's no reason to be scared. I've got this. Protect me. Remember that there's dragons in this freaking world for some reason. This background noise is creeping me out. What's this stuff? So if I'm being quiet. Huh. Well, whatever is here must have despawned. Or if it's like an entity, then I don't know how this works. Dark forest looking ass thing. Darklands Plains. Oh. Here's a skeleton. Is it night? Experiencing these lag spikes again. This creepy ass hut. I don't care if I die. I don't have my loot on me. Never underestimate a man with no fear of. Oh, obsidian. I'll come back for that. And a lot of bookshelves. Maybe it is worth adventuring here. Just the sun's in the sky, so that means it's day. What the fuck? Lightning? What? Man, this biome's freaky. Turtle. Red drops. I don't want to kill the turtles though. They're cool. I feel like if I say anything bad about the cows, those minotaurs are gonna kill me. Oh, guess I found nothing. So it's safe to go home, right? Oh, just copper.